Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show the beautiful soft glam cut crease eye makeup look. First pick up the brown shadow for the transition shade, blend the eyeshadow properly. Next I am using the darker shade of the brown color eyeshadow on the crease line. Using the small blending brush I am blending the colors together. Next I am using the liquid concealer for concealing my eyelid. Using the small brush I am concealing all over my lid. Gently spread the concealer all over the lid and gently blend together. Next I am using the lighter shade of the eyeshadow for setting my concealer. Using a flat brush I am setting all over my lid. Next I am using the lighter shade shimmer for setting my eyelid. Using the darker shade of the brown color eyeshadow. Using the angular brush I am applying attach it to my lashes to create a smoky look. Using the same brush I am blending the lower lashes also. Next I am using the lashes. I applied the lashes with the help of the glue. Next I am applying the liquid liner to cover the glue. Next I applied mascara to my lashes. This is the final output we achieved. This is the soft glam cut crease eye makeup look. If you like this beautiful makeup, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching my video.